Hello, today I would like to share with you one more way of preparing buckwheat. So here I have 1 cup of buckwheat, raw buckwheat completely. So I'm going to rinse it now with the cold water. So here is a rinsed buckwheat. So of course little bit of water is left there, but it's okay. So now to that I'm going to add 2 cups of boiled water. Temperature of boiled water makes no difference. It could be just boiled, so very hot, or cooled down. Important thing is to have it boiled. 1 and 2. That's it. Now I'm going to add here salt. I'm using that much salt, but you can use it less than a half, maybe a third of teaspoon of salt. And now make sure all buckwheat is covered with water. Now I'm going to cover it with lid and leave it overnight on my kitchen counter. I use this way of buckwheat preparation if I need it in the morning and I know that I won't have time to cook it because it takes a while, about 15-20 minutes sometimes. So that way it will take in the morning like 3-5 minutes and buckwheat will be done. So for now I'm just leaving it on the kitchen counter overnight. Okay, this is next morning. The next day, my buckwheat was resting on my countertop overnight. Now I want to show you how it looks in the morning. See, buckwheat absorbed all water that I added, basically 2 times the volume of buckwheat. And I just want to show you, see, it is so fluffy because it wasn't thermally treated. But there is a little bit moisture, little bit at the bottom. First of all, let me show you how the grains look and feel like. So you can put it here, and they are basically mushable, but there is a little bit hard piece at the center of the buckwheat. I know that a lot of people eat it just like that, but I never did, because I don't like this hardness in the center, and bring it to complete softness by adding 2 tablespoons of water, covering it with a lid, and heating it up on a very low temperature, on a little bit, or if I need just a little bit, say 2 tablespoons just for 1 person, I'm warming it up on the pan. I melt the butter on the pan a little bit and add as much buckwheat as I want. So I'll show you how I do it on the pan. And to cook through this buckwheat, which was covered in water overnight, all you need is to reheat on the pan a little bit of clarified butter, or regular butter you can use also. But I will leave the link on how to clarify butter under this video, in case you want to use a clarified butter. I have to say that it is much healthier than the regular butter. And into that pan add your buckwheat, mix it to make sure it is covered with the butter, the clarified butter, and do not mush it. Try to keep them fluffy like that. See, each grain is separately, and cover it with the lid, and basically all you have to do is just heat it through. It takes about 3 minutes and the buckwheat will be completely cooked for your breakfast. This is a quick way to prepare buckwheat in the morning. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.